Welcome back to my mother's YouTube channel. In today's video we will be eating Red Rooster. So here we have their crunchy chicken, here we got chips, fries, and then we got sweet potato fries, coleslaw, gravy, and then 2 wraps, and that is on today's menu.
We thought we'd try out the Red Rooster because I haven't had have you? The crunchy chicken that they have there at the Red Rooster right now. So I hear good feedbacks about it. So we want to have it too. So that's why I went down to Edmonton first, right? And I was making my order. Then I come to this and they said, oh, sorry, we don't sell that here. And it's pouring outside. And I thought, and you know what my umbrella was, guys? A towel. A towel. Yeah, so anyway, so I said, oh, okay, to the girl, okay, can you cancel that order? Anyway, I'll tell you after, but for the meantime, we're going to do our prayer. So, we got a wrap each. I got us a wrap. That's the coleslaw. And the name of the wrap, I don't know. I just pointed to the guy and I said, I'll have that wrap in the middle. So that's it, sweetheart. Your wrap, I don't know. But anyway, I'll tell you the story. Finish up my story about then I drove out to Mount Druitt, Red Rooster. Woohoo! Yum! Look. Look. It's got mayo. What's your sauce?
I'm not sure.
I know there was 2 options. Well, I don't know. I don't know what you wanted because I looked on my phone for a text and she didn't text me. So whose fault is that?
Let me bring up the receipts right now.
Yeah, find your receipt. My glass is a bit foggy because, guys, I was running around for this while Chilo was at home trying to straighten her hair, curl her hair, and do all that other stuff. Then I come home, she didn't run around and sort out the food. She was
Chicken
busy.
ripper, sandwich, and nuggets.
Oh, well, it must have arrived at my phone when I arrived home.
No, but
all running around in the rain. Yeah, so I headed out to Mount Druitt. Yeah, guys, have a bite. I have a bite because I'm after the flavour. I haven't had this in Yonky Donks. Yonky Donky Donks. Not bad. The mayo is smooth and creamy. Anyway, guys, the drink today is Lift. So cheers. I don't usually drink it. That's why my daughter was saying, why did you buy this? You don't know need to drink it. I thought, no. Anyway, so I'm going to try out this chicken. I'll try out the wing. Look at that, guys.
this is good.
Look how crispy that looks. Crunchy.
I want. Can I get a napkin, please?
Yeah, so I drove out to Mount Druitt, guys, and to get some of this, and the lovely guy that served me really friendly and helpful. Anyway, it's pouring down with rain, so I ran out with my umbrella, my towel. Everything was splashing everywhere. Well, I was determined to get these chicken.
It was good, eh?
Good, all right. I could have went through the drive-thru, but...
Oh, did you walk in?
You know me, I'd rather walk in.
No, this is better than KFC. But then again,
So rude.
I don't really eat KFC like that. Like,
would you like that crunchy chicken? But make sure you have strong teeth. Because I don't right now. This old lady don't have strong teeth right before. No. This is nice. How's everyone anyway? Being busy. When we came back from Melbourne, I got a bit sick. And I don't know. I think it was this one. She got really sick, and then she had a drink that's similar to my drink, and she stood the bottle not far from my bottle, confused, and I was going eeny, meeny, miny, mo. And knowing my luck, I'll pick the wrong one. So yes, I did pick the wrong one because later on that night, I started getting a really sore throat. So that's what happened. So I got sick, and it took I went to the doctors, got antibiotics, and I just couldn't I had time for TikTok though. For those that don't know, I have a TikTok account, and I've been making good use of it. Anyway, I'll tell you guys what happened when I got back home. So I get back home, and then I opened up the door, and I was getting all my food out, just about to close the door. And close the door, and as I was closing the door, well, one of the packets opened up, and out comes the food. Okay, wasn't even funny. So the drink falls out, the coleslaw falls out, my napkins and everything goes down the gutter, and it says bye bye to me. It was floating with the rainwater. And I thought, oh no. So anyway, I grabbed the stuff, and then I come out the back door, and the door was locked, and I'm knocking, open the door. No, they can't hear me. They're all in the back room. I don't know, probably gas bagging. Anyway, so I left the stuff on the ground. Then I went back outside, and I looked for the rest of the stuff that I dropped. The drink had grass all over the bottle. This bottle, yep. And then the coleslaw. Lucky the coleslaw is this tub here. I'll show you. This tub. Lucky it was really tight. It had a tight grip. Can you imagine if it popped open, coleslaw on the ground? And lucky it wasn't one of those drinks that you put the straw in, because that would have been gone too. It was just not my day. Anyway, I was wet all over the ground. My towel had fallen off my shoulders. My shoulders are now getting showered. So many stuff. And this one's giggling, but yet she was in the room trying to decorate herself for this video. Even though she started decorating herself in the morning. Instead of going, oh, poor mom. No, she's giggling on herself.
No, I'm laughing because I heard her scream, and she goes, come open the door. And I walk out, and her body's like drenched. And she's just looking at me. And
this is a nice mayo, eh?
Yeah, that's true.
Nice. Yeah, I know, guys. So that's what happened with my food before. But lucky it was the right packet that fell. Had it been the chicken, yeah, no more crunch. It's all wet. Oh. Kumara. No, sweet potato. Still got a crunch. Because after I got it, I came home straight away. But the rain. But see how the rain stopped, Shalala?
What?
See? The rain stopped now.
No, it's still going. You just can't hear it.
Oh, but not as much as it was when I was...
Yeah, it was so heavy earlier.
Pouring.
The rain here is that bad that everyone's getting flood warnings. So there are possible floods everywhere.
So the rainfall, let's make this old lady run. Because that's what I was doing. Well, it will teach me a lesson for not going through the drive-thru. But anyway, I prefer to go inside. So I can look at the menu, you know, be one of those people like, and there's a line behind you. When I know there's people behind me, I'll quickly just pick anything, you know. But, you know, because I don't like people to wait there long behind me. But there are some people you line behind them and they're going, it's all right because everyone's got to pick and decide and things like that. But it's that one, and they probably eat there all the time. The funny one is people, you know, going to get Macca's, right? They already know what they want in the car. But when they get there, they start looking, and the poor person that's at the till waiting like, I'm sure you know off by heart now at the menu on, you know, McDonald's. No, McDonald's, no McDonald's. They laugh, I know. My mind is everywhere because of that episode of me coming out of the car, dropping everything. I'm sure my neighbours, if they were looking outside their window, they would have been cracking up and they were going, oh, they'll probably look out the window if they know, you know, like my channel, they'll be, hey guys, is that Faye Vids dropping all her food all over the ground? Yes, it was. Because I had to go and pick up my car back from the mechanic.
Oh, tell them about my channel.
I'm not talking about your channel. You tell them.
I don't know, I'll tell them.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Give me a second. I haven't thought out. I'm not kidding.
No, I'm leaving it in.
I haven't thought out, Mom. Anyway.
This sugar is so crunchy. I'm so loving it. Okay. Take a bite.
I don't know, for those who've seen the mukbang that me and my mum made, I was eating sushi. And I think she was eating Chinese. I told you that I was making a YouTube channel. Well, I've made it. It is called It's Chora. Mum put it somewhere. It's Chora. I've uploaded 2 videos so far. My first video was a Q&A / mukbang. And then my second video was a exciting story time. So go to my channel if you want to watch my videos.
Yeah. It's mostly just about her talking about life and stuff. And confessing to her stupidity as a teenager. See, when she knew she was going to make this video, right? She come and confessed to me what she'd been doing while I was asleep or didn't know she was doing what she was doing. How dare she? Anyway, so it was funny when we were watching it yesterday. Because this would be your second one, wouldn't it be?
My second video on my channel.
Because there's the first one, and now this one, she's got a second video up. Ooh, oh, oh. Yum. Yeah, get a bit of the fat off. Then you give it a wrap up like this. Mmm. 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 Mang, man. Anyway, so she comes, and then she confesses. And I go, what? Oh, that made me so angry. How dare she? I mean, here's me thinking she's in her room, asleep and for school and stuff. Don't have a grin on your face.
Are you going to tell them?
Anyway. Yeah, so she was showing me her second video yesterday. First I started off with sitting side by side. Then Sophie comes up and then I slap her. And then she continues on, we'll continue on watching, but I noticed that she stood up and she walked away. And I thought, what's coming on next while she's walking away? So she walks away and then I go, oh, and I think, oh, look at her. She's walked down the hall and now I can't slap her again. And then she comes back. She gets, because the the laptop was on top of the stool in front of us. You know, we're sitting side by side. And then she puts the laptop, pardon me,
The stool.
the stool with the laptop is between us, and so it will make us sit further away from each other. And I was thinking, look at her. She really thinks that her slyness overrides the mother slyness. Not even, okay? Anyway, so I knew what she was up to, and I said, why are you sitting far away from me? Move over here so I can slap you when I see something. Yeah. And then while I was watching, I said, how dare these kids, even though I used to do it, but do as I say, not as I do. Far out, mate. We had no idea.
That video isn't just a story time. It's also a morning get ready with me, because I was going through some of the comments, and some of you were requesting a little makeup / get ready. Mum. Some of these were like requesting a little get ready with me in my mum's video that I was in, talking about my channel. So I gave it to you.
But anyway, though, in case you go and watch it, and you guys see something that's inappropriate, put it down in the comments for me to go and slap her, okay? For offending your eyes and ears.
Inappropriate.
Yeah. The naughty stuff you were getting up to.
Oh.
I mean, some parents were think, OMGs.
OMG what?
OMG, I didn't even allow her to do that. Oh.
But it's fine, I told her about it.
Yeah, after the fact. Don't do that again, though.
Never.
I'll give you a never in a minute.
No, we'll go to my channel. Watch it. It's a good video. I think it's a good video.
I don't know.
Bravo.
So, like I said, if you guys see something that you think, oh, Chalora, put it down in the comment. Tell me how many slaps do you want me to give her. Okay?
None. I'm a good child.
1, 2.
Are there any more legs?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm trying not to laugh too much because I might end up coughing too much.
I need a leg.
Which one?
She was funny the first time.
No, it's funny all the time.
All the times.
Don't touch all the chicken before you pick, mate. Okay? Look with your eyes before you try. What about my sister? Oh, she's done it ever since we were kids. Right. Okay. My dad will lay a plate of KFC on the table for us. So he'll just lay it there. My sister will be like this. She'll touch all of them before she decides. It's funny, I have a daughter like that too.
Who? Not me.
No, that's not you.
Which one?
Mata. She's like that. She'll pick, she'll touch every single chicken. And I go, what are you doing? Don't touch every single chicken. We don't want to have your germs on a chicken. And I say, look with your eyes. Have a look. When you find it, then you pick it. Oh, get a fork and move things around. Now, my sister, she still does it to this day. We were eating on the table one time, and there was some stuff on the table, and then she started moving things around to find that piece she wants. And I went, did you wash your hands? I said, how dare you? I mean, no, don't do that. Yeah, so I have a daughter that's like my sister. So,
Do you like a wrap?
Yeah, I like the wrap because of the mayo's nice. The chicken's really nice.
Yeah, this is. It kind of reminds me of a wicked ring, but like not spicy.
Yeah, Costco. Alright. They
So random.
Costco, right? I have this little issue with them, right? So they sell buffalo wings only. Only. Do they ever consider people like me that can't handle chili? You know? I mean, I go there all the time. I go there all the time. And I go, excuse me. And the man goes, yeah. Do you only sell buffalo wings? You know, I'm giggling because I sound like a pest. Okay? Well, you know, I don't say it in a bad way, but do you only sell buffalo wings? Do you have any just normal Caesar one? Nope. Just only buffalo wings. And then I go, what about us people that don't like spicy? Oh, sorry, but that's all we have. Okay. Anyway, I just want to ask him. You know, I think to myself, maybe if there's enough mention of the season one that they might be able to say, you know what, this old lady comes over all the time and she asks the same question. Let's ban her permanently from coming in. No. Anyway, I'm hoping that they stop. Yeah?
It's not spicy.
It nearly killed me. It nearly killed my tongue. It was so hot. Buffalo wings from Costco. Oh, God. It's so, like, extra. You know how sizes are extra large? This chili was extra hot.
Are you sure?
Yes. Buffalo wings from Costco.
Yeah, but they're not really spicy. Well, to me.
KFC one's a little bit tolerant, but...
You mean the wicked wings?
Yeah.
Do you think they're spicy?
No, they're not as. Costco one is more.
Yeah, by what you just said, I know that you can't handle any spicy things. So if you think that KFC wicked wings are spicy, well, they're not.
No, they're not. They're not as spicy as Costco's buffalo wings, I've said.
Yeah, but I'm saying even if you find them spicy the tiniest bit.
It's not as spicy, but it's still spicy. Say, cool, yeah?
Yeah, but
it's
what
a little
it's
fair
saying...
debate, Maya.
Oh, okay, never mind. I was going to be like...
No, but I'm saying it's that strong over in Costco. And I'm hoping that they have seasoned one day.
They do, don't they?
No. They only have seasoned chicken, but not the chicken wing. They only have buffalo chicken wing. That sweet potato thing is really nice. Anyway, this food is really nice. This chicken, guys, is so delicious. If you haven't tried it and you live in Australia and you haven't visited Red Rooster in a while, wow, you might go there for this lovely crunchy chicken.
Yeah, I'm having this again.
It's really nice. Nice time. We're definitely buying that for our lunches and stuff.
Yes, we are.
Coleslaw is nice too. Do you have a corn?
No, I don't really like corn like that.
What? What the heck? Look. There's still a nice bite on there. Can you finish it off, please?
That is how I... The other day I was eating KFC with friends. And I finished my wicked wing and I put it down. And they picked it up and they're like, how much chicken is on this? Like,
see?
Yeah, but this is finished.
There's a nice bite there. It's got a lot of meat.
Yeah, but it's pretty much done.
Chalora. Oh, yeah. Guys. No. Guys, use my thing. Oh, nah. No, that's all right, guys. She's my daughter, so... Did you brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like going through your comments. Like, sometimes I'll go through your comments and they're actually funny.
Who?
Your comments.
My comment?
Yeah.
What?
Like, if
When I reply to people?
No.
Oh.
Like, the videos I'm in, or like the one that me and Janine are in, I was going through the comments. I was like, you guys are actually funny.
Who's funny?
Your fans.
Ah, the people when they comment.
Yeah, when they comment, I'll go look and I'm like, lol.
Yes, so guys, I had an episode today. That's the first time food has ever fallen apart like that. You see it in movies and you think, oh, kind of fine. But then when it actually happens to you, you think, wish they're talking outside, I can hear them.
That's all they do.
Anyway, guys, I've been doing my thing. Ah, look guys. I got that done in Melbourne. It says Faye Vids. I know. When me and my brother went to Melbourne, we had fun. I love hanging out with my brother. Yeah, so when my brother and I, when we hang out or something like that and we talk, we always like find like it could be about anything, eh? And we'll try and see who's got the funniest comeback. And of course, you know, yeah, we try and see who's got the funniest comeback. He's pretty funny, right? But I don't know if he's the funniest. No. Yeah. But this is a crack I pay. I love my brothers. They're good brothers, you know. My sister, yeah. No, I love my sibling.
How many siblings do you have?
Well, there's 4 girls, 3 boys. There was one more boy, but unfortunately my older brother passed away.
So 8.
Yeah, there was 8 of us. And somehow there's always a connection with 8 with us. Because my parents bought a house in 8 Boundary Road. Then my first house in Otawa was 8B Finlay. And then we stayed in 8 Mega Place. And then we come and stay in number...
No. Why are you just giving that address out? Like,
No.
I know.
Yeah, guys. So, I don't know if you guys know, but my daughter, Geneva, she has this, she has started her own little business. She sells phone cases, okay? So, she knew that she couldn't do it by herself, so she asked her older sister to help her with it. Not Sharon. Sharon's very, very busy. So, my other daughter, she thought she'll help her out, you know, because my daughter, you know, she always watches stuff and come up with stuff and, you know, like, she plans stuff that she wants to do. Anyway, so she now sells phone cases. If you go on her website, is called, on Instagram, it's called Tricks Collection. Do they have a Facebook? I don't know. I don't know that much. You know, I'm telling you guys, I have videos out there, but I'm not really cluey with social media stuff.
They got TikTok. Go look at their TikToks, Instagram, website. Go check it out.
Yeah, so those little tiny hands in the blue glove that you see doing all the... They're my baby's hands. She's too shy to go on camera, you know. I say to her, go on camera and talk. No, Mom. So, when she's ready, if this one, oh, I don't need to tell her to talk. This one.
Yeah, jump on camera.
This one, sometimes I have to put her hand over it. But that's all right. Everyone's different personality. My daughter's a good girl. She's considerate and thoughtful. But you get her angry.
Yeah.
She'll run in the room and lock herself in there. She don't want anything to do with us.
Well, no. First, I will like debate why I'm right and why you're wrong, and then I will go and lock myself in my room.
And I'll let her get away with her anger until I think, okay, I called her once. I called her twice. So Big Mama got to hop off the chair and find her. And then she comes running out. Yeah, okay, what? Yes, Mom. Yeah, see? It works. Or even when I go, okay, someone come and get a stick. I really, there's no one's even listening to me. I go, someone come and get a stick. And you see them opening up their door, coming out. So I see? I just have to mention it and they come running out. And then they come out. Then they go in the kitchen and they're mucking around in there, laughing. And I know nothing's getting done because I'm listening. I know this is getting maneuvered around. And then, sometimes it's me that's going and do it. Then they, and then they disappear. And then I have to go and put the dishes in the dishwasher. Then I look on the floor. Geneva hasn't swept some of her crumbs. I have to get the thing and wipe it, broom.
Can I tell them about the other day? The other day, my mum goes, go stack the dishes, pack away the dishes and clean the table. And we're like, yeah, we'll do it. And we went and sat in the room and we ate. And we're sitting there, and my mum goes, did you do it? And we go, no. She goes, okay, go get the stick. So she gave us a little hiding. And then after the hiding, like you would think, you just got hit. Go and do your jobs. We're in there laughing, making jokes. We're making jokes about our hiding.
Be quiet.
And they're like, we're just making jokes. Like, you would think, like, we just got hit. Now go and do your jobs. No, me and Jenny go in there, la-di-da, making jokes about our hiding.
These kids, man, that stress me out. Be quiet. It's not funny. They stress me out to a point where I just want to go and close myself in my room. And then sometimes when I used to give my kids a hiding, my mum would stress out and say, "Kasi ka make," you know.
What's that mean?
No, don't hit the kids. Now when I hit them, she giggles.
Oh,
yeah. So my mum has a good crack up about it, eh? So I think, should I entertain my mum a bit more and smack them even more, or should one or two hits enough? You know? Yeah. So even when I threaten to go and fussy them, I go, come here. My mum was giggling away like, hee. Before it would be awa, you know, she'll stop me straight away. So I go, come here. Okay, I'll go and do it. Then they go and I think, okay, I can relax. And I hear no dishes. And I think, then they walk past again to go into their room. The next day it's not done. Oh, I'm telling you guys, you just want to adopt Chalora, put your application in. Anyway, stop talking too much. I gotta get the crunchy bits off the chicken, guys.
no, but like,
I'm telling you, it's not.
no, but when I do it, you walk in and the kitchen is spotless. So
Yeah, I know. See, that's what I always tell them. Just go and do it, get out of the way, and then they're free for the rest of the day. No, they want to play, you know, hardball and stress their mother out first.
no, but sometimes I will go out there and I'll pack away the dishes, I'll clean the table, I'll deep clean the kitchen.
And you know what? Most of the time, like 99.9% of the time, it's their own mess. So tidy up your mess as you go, like I always tell you. No, this I cooked. And then it's usually gravy.
I can debate with you right now to why it's not mine and why. Oh my god, Mom. Okay. Do you guys like my nails?
Sweet.
I went and got them done.
It's the same as every other people's nails.
No, it's really not. Mine are cute. Mine are real cute. Hope
Very
likes
juicy.
that.
Juicy and sweet.
My sister Hope likes corn.
And Disney and Dad.
And his granddad.
The other people that like corn, they. Desiree, Hopi, and Yoka.
Oh, did you tell them about their channel?
I do.
Guys, my sister and her partner just made their YouTube channel. So go subscribe. It's called Desiree and Eat. Desiree Show and Eat. Put it somewhere, mother. So I should be like the ambassador for everyone.
It's like you say, put it somewhere, mother, please.
Oh. Do you want me to say it again?
Just remember that for next time.
Yeah.
You don't want people to see me getting a stick.
Oh.
It was actually nice. Everything about it, even this wrap, it's got like a nice creamy mayo, which is really nice. Yeah, I don't like the sharp mayo, it's like. But anyway, this one is really nice, smooth. The gravy is delicious, and the chicken is nice and crunchy. It's really, really nice. And the corn, I think I like that corn more than other people's corns because inside it is like creamy, smooth. And why am I liking a lot of things on Red Rooster today? Yeah, that's nice and sweet. And I always like really sweet corn. It's nice. So, but what I do when I boil my corn, I always chuck like some salt in it and some butter when no one's looking. Yeah, I just chuck the butter in. And then when I bring out the corn, I just butter my own. I don't butter other people because I think I already buttered the water. Thank you very much. Anyway, so I just smother it with butter. And it's so delicious. But this one is really nice. So I'm glad I tasted it because I wasn't going to taste one. I was going to leave it for my husband. So because I was thinking, man, it's like I got that for decoration, but I'm not eating it. So I decided to try it. It's my nails. Anyway, guys, thank you for stopping by to watch me today. And if you want to, you can go and watch her video. So you just can see part of her life. Her sneaky life that I just found out about. How dare she? But anyway, as long as she doesn't do what she knows I don't like her to do. And you've already done it, it's sneaking out. Yeah, what's the stuff, eh? Don't think just because you're nearly 17, you can do whatever you want, okay? Me.
Okay, think about the things you're doing at my age and what I'm doing at my age.
At your age, I was a good girl, behaving myself, listening to my parents. Anyway, I don't know what you're talking about. But guys, thank you so much for stopping by. This food is delicious. If you haven't tried the Red Rooster Crunchy Chicken, you better hop over there and get you some. It's so lovely. But remember, you got to have strong teeth.
Is Red Rooster everywhere or is it just in Australia?
It's only in Australia.
Oh. Well then,
So,
I went to the Australian
Red Rooster,
viewers.
2 thumbs up for your chicken and your corn. And the gravy is nice. Before it used to be really salty, eh? So I try and stay away from it. But this one over here is not salty today. Very nice. But anyway, guys, you all take care. Thanks for hanging out, okay? Appreciate all the love and the comments. And thank you for also subscribing to Desiree and Sharon's channel. They are like really, like overwhelmed with the love, So thank you so much. So
They showed me love.
I don't know if you want to show Chalora love. By the end of watching, you guys might want to show her some uppercuts and some backhands and some headlock and some uppercuts and some... Guys, thanks for hanging out. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. But now it's time for us to unpack this. Go wash your hands. and call it a day. Take care. Whasoi fua, kia manuia.
Bye!